loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I created this look here. This look is actually inspired by somebody that I found on Twitter. Her name is Olivia and I will link her information down below. She is so incredibly talented. This is probably the hardest look that I have created on my channel thus far, and I struggled quite a lot with the pink faux liner deal here. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then you're in the right place at the right time. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. I'm filming yet again another inspired makeup look. This particular person I can give full credit to because I screenshotted it appropriately this time. So I am going to insert a photo here of the look that I'm going to be recreating, and this gal's Instagram is Live Beauty, L.I.V Beauty. She is hella talented, so I'm going to be trying to recreate this look that she posted on Twitter, which is actually how I found her, but I'm gonna link her Instagram or whatever. So let's just get this party started. I am gonna first start off by priming my face, and I'm gonna be going in with the No Pore Balm primer by Touch of Soul, and I'm gonna go in with about a pump and a half of that, and I'm gonna blend it in with a Real Techniques brush. And I'm going for more of like a summery, glowy look, and I am going to use a foundation that is probably a little bit darker than usual, and this is the Covergirl Clean Matte BB Cream for Oily Skin in 510 Fair, which might actually be the lightest color in this particular foundation. And then I'm going to blend that in with a dampened beauty blender. This is definitely a BB cream because it is so not full coverage, which is fine. We're going for a summery look. I'm gonna then go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Light, and I'm going to use that under my eyes. And once that's buffed into the skin, I am going to set that down with the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. And then I'm gonna just take, I don't want to like set my whole face down. I like really want to try not setting my whole face down. I don't have much of this left, but I'm gonna gently dust a little bit of the Becca Perfect Skin Mineral Powder Foundation, which freaking love this stuff, but you can see I've hit major pans. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this on a big fluffy Real Techniques brush. At least I think this is a Real Techniques brush. Nope, this is a Cala brush. And I'm just gonna dust a little bit of that on my face. I've been watching a lot of Samantha Ravindal, and she like doesn't set her face, and she's so glowy, and her and I are the same age, and like I just want to have that inner glow, but I'm a matte girl, so we are not full coverage like at all, and we are pretty glowy, so I'm feeling good, feeling summery. I am going to bronze up the outside of my face using the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronze in Tantastic, so I'm going to use that. And I'm also going to throw on some blush a while too. For blush, I'm going to go in with the Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Trio, and I think I'm actually going to use the color Scorcher for blush today. The brows are on. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color Taupe today, which is like really more of like a gray. It pulls kind of like gray or like neutral, not very warm on me. I guess like cool tone. Did I say that? I don't know. So that's what I used today. And I then set it down with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, which so far I really like this. I got a little trial size at Sephora. Usually I use hairspray in a spoolie, but so far I like this. I have curly eyebrow hair, which is so bizarre to me because like this is my natural hair, like straight. Very, very straight. So I so far like it. As long as it keeps the curliness tamed, I would probably like this, but I can imagine this is more expensive than hairspray and a spoolie. So I am going to zoom you guys in and we are going to get started with the eyes. Now that you are zoomed in and close. No idea how I'm gonna do this. Not even really very confident that I am going to be able to do it, because now that I'm looking at this, like, oh boy, I really am not sure. I am actually going to use the new Morphe, this is their Pride collection. 100% of the proceeds actually went to the Tyler Project, so I purchased the brushes because I could always use brushes. My battery is dying, so that sucks. So with that being said, I am going to maybe play around with these brushes. But before we do that, I'm gonna go in. This is the Slim Miss Glam SS57 brush. Not confident, but anyway, it's just a crease brush, and I'm gonna first go in. This is the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette. It's a small palette. I'm gonna use I think 3 colors from this, but I'm gonna first go into this greeny shade. This is the Issa Party shade, and I'm gonna throw that in my crease as a transition shade, and I am gonna focus it more on the outer V. I'm really not sold on this eyeshadow. And then right over top of that, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe. This is the 35M palette. I am going to throw on these 2 green shades, and I'm gonna again focus that actually on the outer V. I'm going in with the Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going to tap into the James Charles and Morphe palette, and I'm going to go into this darker green here, and I'm going to focus that more in the crease, really to add some color. And then going back into the original color and just blending everything together. Next, I'm gonna go in and tap into the yellow shade from, again, the James Charles palette, and I'm going to throw that on. I'm gonna try one of the brushes from the new, so excited, and I'm going to actually go in with, this is the Morphe M513 brush, so it's a small tapered crease brush, and I'm gonna pack that on and blend it into the greens. Then I'm going to take the orange color Dranks from this Laura Lee palette, and I'm going to pack that in the inner corner area of the eye. And to do that, I'm going to go in with this brush. This is the Morphe M222 brush, which is more of a dense brush. Just because I know the camera battery is about to die, I am going to hop off camera and I am going to cut my crease in the way that she cuts her crease. And then I think we can come back and I'm going to end up sort of blending more and probably reapplying color where it needs to be, just because it looks really messy right now. So I shall be back. So basically I cut out my crease, or yeah, I did a cut crease. I threw on some very cheapy Kiss eyelashes, which are on really badly, which is why I hate putting on eyelashes. I did use this mascara. This is the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara, and I actually really quite liked it. So I did that on the top lashes. Now I'm gonna finish up the lower lash line with pink, just like this gal has. She uses like a very, very neon pink, and this is honestly the closest colored pink I have, but it does have shimmer in it. I'm gonna go ahead and use that anyway. So I'm going to smoke that out first on the lower lash line. And I'm gonna blend that into the inner corner. And then I'm gonna go in with an angled brush, and she kind of like wings this color out. So I'm gonna try to do that as well. And I'm gonna put a little bit of matte in it too. There's a matte pink shade from the James Charles palette. It's called Skip. I'm gonna add that too. Okay, I went in with the BH Cosmetics Festival palette and I took this pink shade because it was closer to the pink that I was looking for. Now I'm going to clean up this outer edge here, and I'm going to do that by baking so that it's a clean line. So I'm going to go in with the Pretty Vulgar. This is the Powder Room Matte About It Translucent Setting Powder. I'm going to take a little bit of that and I'm going to bake the outer V so that way it is a perfect line. All right, not working, so I'm going to carve it out. I'm gonna go in and coat the lower lash line, and I'm gonna use the Clinique High Lengths mascara to do that. All right, so I am going to highlight my face with the color Face, actually from the James Charles and Morphe palette, and I'm actually going to use a Farrah brush. This is a 35E tapered blending brush to highlight. Going for a very glowy look. For lips, I'm going to actually use the Dose of Colors Lip in Truffle. This is a liquid lipstick. The gal who I am copying this look off also used like a nudie pink color, so we're going in with that, although I do think a hot pink would look really good with this. All right, I am going to throw on a little bit of gloss on top. All right, for gloss, I'm going to throw on the Boxy Hottie Toddy lip gloss on top. All right, I'm going to finish off the look with a little bit of the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And that completes this video. I think this is probably the hardest video I have filmed on my channel yet. This look was really hard to recreate. When I looked at it in the photo, I thought, oh, this is gonna be fun. I totally can do this. No, people are just hella talented. So here is the final look. That completes it. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, make sure that you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time with another new video. Bye guys.